When I began my journey with the SOJC over 2 years ago, I established 3 priorities for our school: attract top talent, increase students' access to experiential learning, and enhance our academic excellence through faculty and student research. These priorities are more than general directives. They have and will continue to guide our course through a second century as a premier research and professional institution of higher education. I have been so fortunate to watch our students grow, working hard before and after graduation to land their dream jobs. Many of them benefited from transformative experiential learning programs at the SOJC. These experiences give our students and young alumni a competitive edge in today's job market. Their stories inspire the priorities I set for the school. I am proud to say the SOJC is thriving. Our students, faculty, and alumni are making waves and setting the bar high for our industry and professions. We exceeded our target on Giving Day this past May and surpassed our 2018-19 fundraising goal. We hired 5 preeminent new faculty members who will be instrumental in helping us to continue to flourish. We have a solid reputation across campus and beyond. Enrollment is strong in our undergraduate and graduate programs at both our Eugene and Portland locations. We are capitalizing on this moment of strength by launching a Media Center for Science and Technology, which advances our 3rd priority of academic and research excellence. In the coming year, we are remodeling the ground floor of Allen Hall with innovative facilities and cutting-edge technology that will best prepare our students for successful careers, both academically and beyond. From the accomplishment of a single student to the creation and stewardship of our larger SOJC community, none of it will be possible without you. I want to personally thank you for all you do in support of the SOJC students, faculty, and staff. Now please enjoy a look at some of the incredible work your support has made possible in our 2018 Digital Annual Report.